Welcome to Westgate Chevrolet. Today we're taking a quick look at some of the interior and exterior features on our 2013 Dodge Grand Caravan. This vehicle comes in black metallic paint with alloy rims. We also have our rear privacy tint, black fabric interior seating, as well as our chrome front grille and bug deflector. Now moving on to the interior of the Dodge Grand Caravan, I'll walk you through a few of the driver's features, starting off with our door panel. You can see we have our two-tone cream and as well as our black leather, wooden trim, and chrome door handle. We also have our fold-out option for the rear windows, lock and unlock buttons, rear window lock, as well as our front and rear window controls and power mirror adjustment with joystick, speaker down below, as well as storage. And off to the left of the steering wheel, we have our interior lighting dimmer switch and daytime running light switch, our gauge cluster. On the steering wheel, we have our Dodge badge and cruise control, voice recognition, and phone hang-up. Steering wheel's wrapped in black leather. We also have our gear selection stalk, our radio with controls for the radio and media, as well as our volume control knob and auxiliary input. Below that, we have our dual zone climate controls, as well as our rear climate controls, fuel economy mode, our hazards, our power outlet on and off, and traction control. And down below that, we'll see we have our storage, fold out 2 cup holders, as well as 2 12-volt charging ports. Center area, we have storage and 4 cup holders. And the front seats are featured in black fabric with black leather armrests. Above the rear view mirror, we have our dome lights, as well as our sunglass holder with rear mirror. Moving back onto the exterior, we can take a closer look at our alloy rims with our Dodge badge center caps. We also have our black metallic paint on the vehicle. You can see it very nice in the sun. Rear privacy tint. Around to the back, we have our Grand Caravan and Dodge badging, as well as our liftgate. Once inside, we can see we have our 60/40 split bench with our storage handles. Now moving on to the rear interior of the Grand Caravan, we'll take a look at the rear passenger door panel, which features our door handle, window switch, and our cup holder. Mesh magazine holders at the back of the front seats, as well as 2 bucket seats in the rear, also featured in black fabric with armrests. And moving down the aisle, we have a 60/40 split bench in the rear with 2 cup holders off to either side. Thank you for joining me for this video walk around of the 2013 Dodge Grand Caravan. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel for more daily videos, and we hope to see you in at Westgate Chevrolet sometime very soon.